another character from Monsters, Inc., the movie. Her name is Boo. Remember the little girl Boo?
Boo!
Yeah, we're gonna draw Boo. Okay.
What else am I gonna draw?
Oh, that's a surprise. I can't tell you right now. You'll see next, okay?
Yes.
It's gonna be very cool. Alright, ready? Where's your pencil? Okay.
I'm excited.
Okay.
Huggy.
Okay, Huggy. Okay, very good.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. So, Charlotte, first we're gonna draw Boo on top. We're gonna start with her eyes, okay? So she's got two big eyes in the middle of the page. Very good. Okay. And then we'll draw a smaller eye in the middle. Okay. We'll fill that in. It's black. Okay. Okay, little nose. Her mouth. Okay, now we're going to draw her face. So it's very easy. Here's a big circle. Watch. Okay, and her hair is a little bit tricky. So we're going to do this. Watch this. Stop on the top of the eye. I'm going to do a little triangle. Okay, the next one. So come over here on top of her other eye. Do a smaller triangle. Okay, and then we'll go over here and connect that. So now we're gonna draw the top of her, her eyebrows. I'm missing her eyebrows. Eyebrows, very important eyebrows. Okay, so we're gonna draw her hair. Okay, so her hair is like this. Go to the middle. There's a little dip here, and then go back up. With a very small check mark. Then we're gonna draw the other half circle here. Connect it. She has two ponytails on top of her hair. Okay, so and they're tied together by a hair tie that has two circles on it. So we're going to draw two circles here. And then the ponytail is short. Goes like this, and connect it. And the same thing on the other side. Connect it with a ziggy-zaggy. It's like half a rainbow. There we go. Good job. Okay. Now we're going to draw her neck right here. So her shoulders like this, okay? One arm and shoulder, and her body is here. She's wearing a long nightgown for sleeping.
It looks like poo.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
So her hand, and then we're going to draw her pants. This is her pants, her leg, and then her foot, her shoes. Oh wait, we forgot her ear. Ears.
I'm gonna do mine.
Ears. Okay. Ears.
I'm gonna draw a little line in the middle.
It'll be a curve. We're gonna do a little bit of line. Curve. Okay, and now we're gonna draw a different Boo. We're gonna draw Boo when she's dressed up as a monster. We're gonna draw the monster Boo, okay? Yep, so on the top here, on top, okay, we're gonna draw two big eyes. This is the monster costume eyes, okay? Let's do the eyeballs here. One on the left, one on the right.
It looks ugly.
Well, it's a monster. Tentacles for the eyes. And now we're gonna connect the eyes, okay? The eyes will be connected by a curve. Okay, pay attention. Okay. Curve. Watch first, don't draw. Okay? It's like an octopus monster tank, this whole thing. Now we're gonna draw the head, okay? Pay attention. Now connect this with a curve. It's very small teeth. I'm gonna do 3 teeth. And then here we have her face. And we have her eyes. This eye is covered up by the teeth over there. here's the bottom of the monster here. So let me see. Do this.
Good.
And then this part is gonna be bigger. There we go.
Really fast.
And now we're gonna draw her body. We ran out of space here. And then we're gonna draw arm. She has octopus arms. Octopus legs. And these things have circles on them. Spots. Spots here. And we're gonna do some stripes on the body. Okay. And we're going to add a couple more things, okay? We're gonna add her ear. Her ears are here. And then we're gonna add the bottom teeth for the monster. Okay, bottom teeth for the monster. And she has her hair. We'll color it in later, okay? It's the black part here. So it's only a little bit showing. So this is black, this is her hair, okay? Alright, so we're done. Let's color them, okay? Let's color your boo.